Hey folks, Sam here, one of your local bartenders at Muddy River. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hurricane. We're going to use our dark rum and our 2-year rum, an ounce of each. Then moving on to our juices, you're going to do 2 ounces of the orange juice and pineapple. Now this is when the color gets added. I'm going to do some lovely grenadine, just about an ounce of that. On top, along with our passion fruit simple syrup. You can just do about a ½ ounce for that, unless you like it sweeter. And then ending with our lime. And now we have a beautiful red summer cocktail that you get to enjoy on your veranda. I'm going to garnish it with an orange slice. There we are. Happy cocktail making.